We can hear you laughing.
I usually do is I just snug it until you just feel a little bit of wiggle, and then you get it on the flat and tighten.
Then you make it gluten tight.
Yes. And then
Okay.
your left arm,
Should be inside the carriage. There you go.
then you want to show how to adjust it.
So these two pieces here and here should be parallel, correct? In the same
Yes.
plane.
Yes.
Okay.
And there's flats on this bar that are flat with this in the top. And then you
Yeah.
have to tighten your set screws on those.
Okay.
And then
Now we'll do the fine tuning.
And then you're going to adjust your lift arm. What I usually do is pull the lift arm, get it up on the lift part, and pull it up to the die. And then you can turn this one by hand about where it'll get it close, and then you have to fine tune it from there.
Okay.
And what I usually do is I take a piece of paper and put between the die and the wire, just so you can pull it through there. It's about the right distance.